friends, this is very important video for the salaried individual, how they can save the taxes. So one thing I want to tell, for the salaried individual, there is no limit. If they want, they can file their return on the old tax regime, or if they want, they can file their return in the new tax regime. That is one thing. Second thing, suppose to your employer, from where you are getting the salary, you told him that you want to go for the old new regime, and now you are realizing that you have made so much of investment, and under old regime, if you will file your return, then you would have saved more taxes. So I want to tell you that even now also, even though your employer has deducted TDS as per the new tax regime, you can file your ITR under old regime also. So whichever is more beneficial for you, under that regime we can file the ITR. Okay. And second thing I want to tell, from this year onwards, new regime will be the default ITR. So if you have to select old regime, if you want to go till last year, what was there, that old regime was the automatic. If you want to file the new regime, you had to select, but now you have to select the old regime if you want to file under the old regime. That is one thing. Now second thing I will tell, what are the component where you can claim the deduction. Okay, directly to the point. If you are getting the salary 50,000 standard deduction, it is available for everyone. Other than that 50,000, what all things are available? One is HRA. HRA is available for you if you are staying on the rent, you have the rental agreement, you are paying every month rent, you can claim the HRA. You can claim LTA, 2 year in a 4 year block. So leave travel allowance, that also you can claim. If your employer has paid the taxes on the non-monetary perks, that also you will get the deduction. That is one thing. Now there are something called entertainment allowance. This deduction is available to the government employees only, and for the professional tax everyone will get deduction up to 2,500. There are another thing, interest on housing loan. So the person who is staying on the rent, for that there is HRA already, it is available. But there are people who are having housing loan, they are staying on their home in their own house, they will get interest benefit on the housing loan up to 2 lakhs rupees. Okay, it can be more than 2 lakhs if the it is rented premises. If it is rented premises, suppose you are staying on the you are claiming the HRA, you are having one house which is rented out, you are claiming the charge because you are paying the rent. Okay, in that case you will be showing your rental income also. In that case, suppose you are paying more than 2 lakhs rupees interest, that interest also you can claim. So both can be claimed. Now one more thing I'll tell, suppose this is the case when both the houses are in the same city. Now it may be possible you have taken the loan, you have constructed a new house in your village, in your native, okay, native place, and you are working in metro city where you are paying rent. In that case also you can claim both, but it is self occupied up to 2 lakhs. Interest on housing loan you can claim, and here you can paying here you can claim the HRA also. That is another one important point. Now next we will go to the LTCG. Many salaried people, they are investing in share market also. If you are making investment in share market, up to 1 lakh rupees long term capital gain is exempt. More than 1 lakhs, there is it is 10%. Again, there is, if you are making some specified investment, you will get the benefit of that also. Dividend income is exempt. And now we'll go to the chapter 6 deduction, ATC. If you are having any health insurance, if you are having any life insurance, PF, mutual fund, children education fees you are paying to school, college, or tuition fees you are paying for paying to PPF, you are paying repaying the principal amount of the housing loan. If you are making investment in pension fund of LIC, you will be getting deduction up to 1 lakh 50,000. If you are investing in NPS, then further 50 more thousand deduction you will get. So total 2 lakhs rupees deduction are here. Next is up to 50,000 deductions are available for whom 50 to 75,000 rupees are under section 80D for the health insurance. For self and family, it is 80,000 rupees, for 25,000 rupees, for parents 25,000 rupees. Suppose if your parents are senior citizen and you have not taken any health insurance, you are but you have spent money for their treatment, up to 50,000 deduction you can claim under this section for them also. So 50,000 for them medical treatment, 25,000 for you health insurance. So totally 75,000 deduction, up to 75,000 you can claim. Next is 80DD. It is for the medical treatment of the handicapped dependent. If suppose a person who is earning, he is having some dependent relative, family member who are handicapped, and he is spending money for their treatment, he can claim deduction up to 75,000 in case of disability, 1,25,000 in case of severe disability. How to know whether it is disability and severe disability? You will get the medical certificate. Okay, based on the medical certificate it will be considered. Next is treatment of the specified disease. There are certain specified disease. If somebody's family members are getting treatment for that specified disease, specified disease are specified under income tax act, so the person will get deduction up to 40,000 rupees. If the disease is for the senior citizen, then deduction is up to 1 lakh rupees. Okay, next is interest on education loan. After that you will get interest if you have taken loan for the buying electric vehicle, that also you can claim. For the person with disability under section 80U, suppose the person who is earning, it is for that person who is earning the income, if he is having the disability 40% or more, then he will get 75,000 deduction. If he is having the disability more than 80%, then he will get 1,25,000 deduction. And last but not the least, if you are making donation to the charitable trust, now elections are coming, if you are making donation to the political parties, if you have last year sorry, the last financial year Ram Mandir Ayodhya temple you have made donation, for all this you will get the deduction. Okay, for political party 100%, for NGOs and religious trust it is mostly 50% deductions are available. Thank you.